Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you some important points regarding zinc. The important points include its group, subgroup and class, fatal period, fatal dose, active principles, its medico-legal importance, main signs and symptoms with which the patient presents after its exposure, and finally its treatment, that how we can treat this patient. Firstly, a zinc is an irritant poison belonging to metallic group of poison. So it is metallic irritant poison. Its fatal dose is about 15 gram in the form of zinc sulfate and 400 grams in the form of zinc chloride. Its fatal period is 24 hours. Active principle includes its salts mainly with the sulfate, chloride and phosphide groups. So these salts will act as a poisonous group and will be responsible for damaging of different organs of the body. You can simply write the active principles as the zinc sulfate, zinc chloride and zinc phosphide in your exam. The medico-legal importance includes its use as abortifacient. It can be used as a suicidal. It can also be used as accident. It can also be dangerous when exposed accidentally from food or application to the wounds. If someone has a wound on the skin and he works in a factory where there is a excessive use of zinc, then these zinc compounds may enter in the body through these wounds and then enter into the blood and causing further damage to the body. Now this is the accidental exposure. The main sign and symptoms which can be noticed is the metallic taste in the mouth. There is vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, pain in esophagus, pain in stomach, pain in abdomen. There is blood in vomit, and in diarrhea there is muscle spasms. Irregular muscle spasm occur. There may be collapse if not treated at the spot. The fumes of the zinc oxide cause metal fumes fever. This is important. These are all the important points which I have told you. You must have to remember all these points for your exam. If you have any question up till now, comment it down. I will respond you as soon as possible. Now finally its treatment. Its treatment includes stomach wash or the gastric lavage with simple warm water. No other compounds can be used as for this purpose. I also know emetic. We shouldn't use any emetic for treating zinc poisoning. We can give demulcents like milk, egg white, and black tea, etc. For treating pain, we can give injection, intramuscular injection of morphine of about 10 milligram. In this way, we can treat this condition. Thank you.